in Turkey, and I need to know, is it allowed to pray in the Ayah Sofia? There are pictures inside, and it was a museum before. So, yeah, it's permissible because before it was a museum, it was a masjid. So prior to it being a museum, it was a masjid. Before it was a masjid, it was a cathedral. When the Ottomans conquered Constantinople, they basically converted the cathedral into a masjid. And so it became a masjid. It was a place where people would pray and they would worship Allah. So I don't see any issue with you praying there. In fact, it's probably would be encouraged in a way because you're showing one of the sha'air, one of the symbols of Islam. Because it was a masjid for many, many years, for centuries. It was a masjid until Ataturk, the leader who was basically liberal, he was anti-Islam, changed the masjid to a museum. He basically said it was banned for people to pray there. And now, of course, it's reverted back to a masjid. So it's something I think it would be encouraged for a person to pray there, to show the sha'air of Islam, and to show people that this is a masjid now where Allah's name is mentioned, and to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.